Okay, let's talk about page structure on your website. Every single page on your website should have a particular structure to its content. When you go into your content management system, when you're writing in your text, whether that's Squarespace, WordPress, Wix, whatever it is, you will have specific options for headings and subheadings on your site. Every single page on your website should only have one H1, which is your main heading on your site. Any more than one will confuse your reader and will also confuse search engines, Google, simply because not only do humans actually use headings and subheadings to firstly make sense of what you're writing, and secondly to be able to have the content flow, but actually search engines and their bots do exactly the same. They use the headings to work out how your text is structured. So it needs to be structured in a specific way. Every page should have one H1 heading. Every time there's a new subject that you were talking about, you should then have a H2 heading, which is a subheading. Underneath that, there should be a H3 heading, then a H4 heading. Between those headings, you can then use paragraph text. Now, some content management systems, the good ones, will give you different sizes of paragraph text as well. So you will have a P1, a P2 and a P3, and they should be structured similarly. But actually you can be a bit more creative with the sizes of your paragraph text, because actually that just helps the humans to break up the text and read it easily. Now, just because you are structuring the text in this way does not mean that you can't still have a beautiful site. You can separate the text, you can have it flow between patterns and imagery and video. You can do all of those things, but you have to make sure that what you are writing is structured correctly, because otherwise it won't be easily readable. Like and follow for more.